Which one are you looking at?
All right, so no, we live right now. I'm live with Big Draco. Look, Draco, look.
Yo, it's your boy Big Draco. I'm in the building. Shout out Nicki Minaj. Y'all know what's going on. Y'all heard that new shit, Queen Radio.
Okay. I'll be back.
This right here go crazy.
I'll look at my bag.
When you lose the queen, niggas friendly, dawg. It was just back to back like Wembley, dawg. Now you all the way back up in the Bentley, dawg. I turn lemons into lemonade simply, dawg. Oh boy, yeah, my brother tried to end me, dawg. I heard they looking for the owe me. A couple of you niggas still owe me. You asked for the dope, so they sent me, please. Trying to lay low, don't tempt me, please. 30 in the clip will be empty, sleeves. You bitches to my sons on your A's and B's. Lead a hate train in the station, please. I was in the court, no J's and B's. Made a change of mind in the judge chambers, please. The max on the line, I ain't talking about the PC. I'm the biggest fish in the pan, I'll do the grease. All he gotta do is call, I'm in my t-shirt.
Yeah, gang, nigga, gang shit, no lame shit. Street shit, no weak shit, squad shit, no fraud shit. Yeah, man, Big Draco, Queen Nicki. Y'all, man, we in this motherfucker, man. Whole lot of this shit, man. Don't play with this shit neither, man. Put the money on your head.
Put it right on your fucking head.
Am I lying?
Yeah, this is the one. This is the one. Hard. Going crazy. This shit hard. That little baby shit hard. Both of them hard. Both of them hard. Hey. Yo, what's up? This your boy Soulja Boy. I'm in the building. Shout out Nicki Minaj. Shout out all the Barbies. Y'all know what the fuck going on. Queen Radio. Young Draco, Big Draco, we going on tour. Let's get it.
Y'all want the 15 thing? Y'all want the 15 thing? Y'all want the 15 thing or not? You all the way back up in the whip.
Oh boy, yeah, my brother tried to end me, dawg. I heard they looking for the owe me. A couple of you niggas still owe me. You asked for the dope, so they sent me, sleeves. Tryna lay low, don't tempt me, sleeves. 30 in the clip will be empty, sleeves. Bitches for my sons on your A's and B's. Lead a hate train in the station, please. I was in the court, no J's and B's. Made a change of mind in the judge chambers.
Wait, hold on. Let me say something real quick. Let me say something about, because I always like to make sure I show the utmost respect to people who show me nothing but love and respect and have always supported me and have always opened doors for me. And I want to shout out Jay-Z and Beyonce, because sometimes when you say something on a record, it can come across as disrespectful. Anybody that knows me knows that those are the probably two most influential artists that ever in my life, period. So I'm just stating facts, not disrespecting them, because I love them to death, and they've, like I said, done more than enough for me. So what you feeling? What you feeling about it, Draco?
Man, I think they're hard, man. I think you killed that little girl, and you killed that little baby girl too. You know what I'm saying? You said you turning down endorsements. I'm sick of you, nigga. You getting that much money?
Yes, I just got $10 million and I ain't even do nothing for it yet. G. Robertson, right? Am I lying?
10 million. Y'all heard what she said.
They was laughing at me going to Shanghai. I still made my $1 million from Shanghai, right? Right, G? I still made my $1 million from Shanghai. I see niggas saying that they just made $1 million for the first time when, you know what I'm saying, when they greeted them. Nicki been making millions for sure.
I made my first million at 17. Young Draco.
How old are you now?
28.
Ooh.
10 years.
That's a good age, but you still at an age where you need somebody to like yoke you up. Like your bitch, she gonna have to yoke you up every now and then because at that age you still think you too cute. You still think you too cute. In like 5 years you gonna be like, all right, you know what? I should have just chilled. If you got a good girl right now, be a good man to that good girl. You know what I'm saying? Because when you get to like 5 years later from now, you're gonna realize there's nothing out there. Nothing.
I
So, is there anything that you need to say before I get into some other shit?
I'm the hottest rapper in the game right now, man.
Are you hotter than Tiger?
Tiger?
Just shouted him out. He's a big Tiger.
Niggas want to talk about Tiger.
You trying to say you had a bigger comeback than Tiger?
Yo, Tiger had a record. You feel what I'm saying? When Draco.
Nah, don't do that to Tiger. Tiger had a couple records. Tiger had a couple little jump was.
He had the record with you. You know what I'm saying? I give him that. Y'all is label mates. That's family. You know what I'm saying?
We not label mates no more. We had beef at one time.
Word.
Yeah, we had beef at one time because I felt like he stole truffle butter and he and me and Drake were going through like who leaked it, who did this, and you know, but over time you just realize how stupid shit is. But anyway, shout out to Tiger.
Man, shout out to Tiger, but he ain't had no bigger comeback than Draco.
So you the hottest? Are you the hottest rapper in the world?
I'm the hottest, like not even rapper, like to be real. I'm just like the hottest person, like period. Like I was trending on the #1 in the world for the last month. The whole January I conquered. You dig what I'm saying? So
how did you do that? Like what made you? First of all, let me say something, and this is what I wanted to say. I wanted to say something serious because a lot of times I joke on this show, and today I don't want to joke on the show today.
Word.
I want to say, if I was to go on a radio station and say the things you say, I would be labeled as angry.
Word.
If I was to say how many bitches copy my formula
Word.
and look exactly like Nicki Minaj right now, I would be labeled as an angry black woman.
Mm-hmm.
But when a man gives facts, it's funny and it's love.
Mm-hmm.
Feel me?
Mm-hmm. Word.
So it's to the point where artists are no longer than themselves. I remember there were some artists that were so carefree and fun. They used to like leave like comments or like just they would say shit cursing people out like da-da-da. Now everybody's politically correct. Now everybody is just saying something that they want to make sure they're not going to get dissed on them blogs.
Word.
So thank you for saying what the fuck you wanted to say.
It's time for that, Nicki.
Because no. When I was doing it, it wasn't time for it. It's never time for a black woman to say what's real.
Right.
You understand? A black woman is supposed to be seen and not heard, and that goes from back in the day.
Mm-hmm.
But what's your sign?
Leo.
You're a likable guy. You always have been.
Right.
You high right now?
I ain't smoked yet. It's early. You had me up early trying to get over here, girl. I'm running. I ain't even hit no blunt yet.
Oh, I need some. I was trying to get some weed, some
Let's
good.
We're gonna smoke right after this.
Where the weed at? What the
it's
fuck?
In the Bentley truck. We're gonna get it right now.
In the Bentley truck. All right. Go into that Lil Bay real quick, Booth.
Queen Radio. Young Draco.
This is so much fun. Can I see the pictures with him? I don't. So I can